Honestly, have you ever seen anything this big? We're gonna pick it up with a crane. Everyone is waiting to see this thing stand up.
This is the 5th largest crane in the world.
When you start to see the project go vertical, it's just a huge day because it changes the whole skyline of the project, and you feel as though the project's really starting to come to life.
It's something, you know, that I can tell my kids that I was involved. Grandkids will know about this for the next 50 years.
I don't have to leave my family every day or stay out of town for a year at a time.
It was a huge steel area, and they saw the steel come and then they saw the steel go. And this is a real chance to be part of what is a growing industry. And they did it once before and they're going to do it again, and Pennsylvania Chemicals is going to lead the way.